Are we still allowed to switch back to the old detailed targeting or audience targeting settings for Meta Ads Manager? The answer is yes and no. Now, if you're choosing Advantage Plus lead campaign or Advantage Plus sales campaign, you realize when you go into the audience settings, there is this little green color thingy at the top right that says Advantage On. That's by default. That means whatever that you're setting here in the audience targeting, Meta might and will reach people beyond whatever that you are setting over here. But having said that, based on our current experiment, retargeting, as in manual retargeting, as in we do the custom audience inclusion, trying to put in all the people who have visited our website in the past 30 days, people who have engaged with our Facebook page and stuff like that, are still working. However, we cannot guarantee whether Meta is reaching people beyond whatever that we are setting here or not. But based on our experiment, it is still a retargeting. But if you're not choosing Advantage Plus lead campaign or Advantage Plus sales campaign, you are still able to switch back to the old settings where, like this is really the same old where you're very familiar with. First, you have this create new audience or use save audience, and you have custom audience where you can add exclusions and blah, blah, blah. This is really something that is still working for objectives beyond Advantage Plus sales campaign and Advantage Plus lead campaign. However, I want you to pay a close attention over here. Under here, right, it's no longer detailed targeting. It is called Advantage Detailed Targeting. When you mouse over to the info icon over there, it says, we may deliver ad beyond your audience for eligible ad objective if it's likely to improve performance. What does that mean? That means, anyway, at least at the detailed targeting level, it is Advantage On, meaning Facebook might and will reach people beyond whatever that you're putting in here. So what does that mean? Facebook is trying to phase out from these detailed targeting options. In fact, in the past many years, Facebook has been removing detailed targeting in bulk from our selection because they have all these anti-discrimination policies in place and all. We are not able to do a lot of things anymore. So the best way to do targeting right now is actually to use the ad to really pinpoint and send a clear message to our key audience. So in my opinion, moving forward, Meta is going to give us lesser and lesser control in the audience targeting because what they really want is to go broad. And they say that the algorithm and the AI is going to help us get the right people. But in order to really leverage on this AI, so-called, to reach the right people for our campaign, I think in my opinion, the most important thing that you have to dial in here is actually your ad creative, because when we are able to send a clear message with our ad, those people who are interested in what we are selling will resonate. This video is part of a free masterclass that I put together to help Meta advertisers master Meta Ads Manager. If you like what you're watching, click on the link in the description to watch the full series.